Installing a poison Spyder hood louver kit. All the videos we watched show people using a grinder to cut out, with a cutting disc to cut out these panels. My buddy here figured out an awesome way of doing it. Straighter cuts, not cutting into the bracing underneath the hood. Looks clean, no sharp edges after we get done, or very few sharp edges. This is going to turn out awesome. Heck yeah, it's cleaner. These are the two panels that were cut out first. Look how clean those look. You're not going to get that clean of a cut with any kind of cutting disc. So, post this up, see what people think. Make your own decisions. Very clean.